Hello YouTube, it's Craig with CasWorks Woodworking. Well, my goal for today is to get up in the attic and start tearing down the ceiling from the top side. Hopefully I can do it with minimal debris falling and as streamlined as possible. Let's get to it. The process is going to start with vacuuming all the debris that's up here so it doesn't come raining down on the furniture below. I have covered up everything, but I still don't want to have to clean up all of that from down off of the tarps. It'd just be easier to vacuum it up here. Okay, as you can see, I got the ceiling removed. The underside of the roof is now exposed. That will get covered because, of course, we have to insulate, but it's kind of cool having these beams. It definitely opens up the room. I think it'll be a nice added benefit of the stay here. That's it for day 2. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great week.